Hey guys, welcome back to Renee GTV. Today I'm going to bring you along and show you how I fixed my audio problem. So I record on an iPad Pro, and while Apple's video quality is awesome, their sound or their audio really leaves much to be desired. So I searched online, and unfortunately, I couldn't find a whole lot of help for external microphones for Apple. So after a little bit of research, I came across the PowerDeWise. And right now, what you're hearing is you're hearing the original audio from the iPad. I am going to go ahead and plug in this mic, and you guys tell me if it's any better. Okay, so is the sound better? Not so much. I think the audio is a whole lot better. I did come across, during the research, I came across the PowerDeWise with the lightning connector, which is exactly what I needed. As you can see, it comes with, of course, the microphone with a 12-foot cord. It comes with 2 additional windscreens and also a little zipper pouch to keep everything together. I am quite impressed with the quality of the sound. I think it is much improved. So anyway, guys, if you're needing an external microphone and you have an Apple product, this might be the one for you. It was very inexpensive. I actually located this on eBay, and I could not be more excited. I know that the audio has just been so terrible in my videos, but here we go, guys. I think we got it fixed now. So let me know down below what you use, if you think the quality is better or if you think that we could up it a bit. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification down below, and as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.